Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys the tutorial on how to restore your MacBook Air without CD. Or if you have a CD, you could also restore it with that method as well. But today we're going to focus on how to restore your MacBook Pro or your MacBook Air or your iMac or MacBook Mini. Should be all the same. So if you before you power on, you've got to make sure your system is off, okay, completely. And then you want to press Command and then R at the same time while you pressing the power button and turn it on. And you're gonna keep on holding it until you see a screen that's gonna ask you to recover your or reinstall your hard drive. Reinstall your window. Or you could request for help or go to like this utilities. So this part is gonna take a while. So I need to hold it until I get that screen pop up. Okay, so I'm just going to stop recording until I get to that screen. Then I'll be back. Okay, so once you get this language screen, you just let go of the buttons, the Command and then R. So right here it says use English for the main language, or you can select different kind of languages. So as you see, there are so many different kind of languages that you can go with. So I'm going to select use English for the main language. And then you're going to click on the arrow in the middle right here on the bottom page. And then you get this screen. Either this is the MacOS utilities. Restore from time machine backup. If you back up your stuff to your time machine with the additional hard drive, you can back up from there. And if you want, you can reinstall MacOS onto your old hard drive or the existing one, okay? Or you could get help online, or this utility to repair or erase a disk using these utilities. So we're gonna go ahead and reinstall MacOS. You want to go click on that and make sure you click on the continue. And you only want to do this when you have all your files or photos, video backups. So as you can see, say MacOS Sierra. To set up installation of MacOS Sierra, click continue. Click continue. It says to download and restore MacOS. Your computer's eligibility will be verified with the Apple. So I click on continue. So it's loading installation information. So it's going to take a little bit while before you get into the next screen. Okay, right here it says to continue installing the software, you must agree to the term of the software license agreement. Okay, so you can either read it scroll down all the way down. That's a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo to read. Or you can just click on agree. And it says I read and agree to the term of the software license agreement. And you click on agree. And then you're going to select the hard drive that you're going to format. This one is locked, so there's an unlock. And all you do is just type in the password. So I'm just showing the tutorial on how to do it, but let me see. Okay, so after that, then you could kick you back to here, and then click on it, and then you click on install. So at this moment, I'm not going to install it. I'm just showing you guys the tutorial on how to do it, because I'm going to do a fresh copy, put a new hard drive on this one, and boot it up from the CD. Okay. So anyway, hopefully you guys like this video, and then give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and be sure to turn on the bell for notification. Please also share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.